Copper Coins, Chuck Daughtry here to talk to you a bit about doubled ear, double dies. Check out the date on this coin. You have a doubled 1-9 there. That's a 1941 Lincoln cent. And you can see it doubling on the TY over here. Now, why am I showing you these parts of a coin when I'm talking about doubled ear, double dies? Right there. Happens to be a doubled ear as well. This is the cause of a Class 4 hub doubling. Class 4 hub doubling is when a subsequent hubbing on the die is moved to the north, south, east, or west. These happen to be to the south, so they show an extra bulb for an ear. Just the lobe of the ear is doubled. Check this one out. This one's much more clear. This is 1984 double die obverse. Quite scarce, difficult to find. All of these have quite a bit of value as well. Can go for hundreds of dollars in top grade. This is 1997 doubled ear, the double die obverse number 1. It is a double die, even though it's been contested over the years as to whether it was a double die. This one happens to have doubling on the inside of the upper ear as well as on the earlobe. Here's a rare one. This is 1988. The doubled ear for 1988 wasn't discovered until many years after 1988, which is why I tell people, well, if you don't know if a double die exists for a year, why don't you just look at it with a loupe? You might find something that no one has ever seen before. 1983 D. This is another doubled ear. Looks like a big conical shaped earring hanging off of his earlobe. And this one, 2006. It's probably one of the only ones that was found in the year that it was made. The 1984 and the 2006 are the only two that were discovered the year they were made. So there could be pretty much anything out there. So I challenge you, get out there and take a look for them, see if you can discover a new one. That's all I got for now. I appreciate it.